What's up guys, welcome back to another KJ Lifestyle video, and this one is actually kind of unexpected. As of yesterday, I was not planning on filming this video, but stuff kind of lined up. So in today's video, as you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we are installing downpipes. So I had reached out to a Stinger chat in the area and asked if anyone knew anyone selling some. And within 2 minutes, one of the guys texted me. He was like, hey, I have rear-wheel drive ones. I'm like, all right, that's perfect. That's exactly what I have. He has an all-wheel drive GTS, but he accidentally ordered the rear-wheel drive one, so he was just looking to get rid of them. So I got these for a steal, and we are actually on our way to 954 Mufflers right now to get these things installed. And I've been back and forth whether or not I want downpipes, but after hearing a few Stingers with them, it was definitely something I want to do. So we just went and picked them up, got them in the back. We're gonna head over to 954 and start to get these things installed. All right guys, so here we have the DC Sports mid pipes for the Kia Stinger, the downpipes. As you can see underneath here, what we're gonna be taking out is these two right here. So these cats are coming off, and if you can see this right here, that's very crimped. So we're gonna be opening up the car a little bit. So we're taking out those secondary cats and also that little crimped pipe. So we have the full bore. I believe this is 2.5 inch. So guys are gonna get to work, and then we're gonna start this thing up and see how she sounds. All right guys, just like that, 19 minutes, the guys here at 954 Mufflers were able to put in the downpipes. That was extremely fast. Obviously not too bad of a process, but a huge shout out to them. As you can see, we got DC Sports right here. Definitely taking out a lot after we took out this and how crimped this pipe is right here. Excited to get this thing on the ground, and let's hear how it sounds. Guys, so the car is done. That literally took them 19 minutes to install the downpipes. As you can see, we started at like 3:02 and it's now 3:21, but that was it. So I definitely like the way this thing sounds, because the MBRP, obviously the rasp is there when you want it to, but it's not too bad. So we're gonna get this thing out on the road and do some pulls, and then we're gonna throw the tune on, get some E in it, and then be on map 3 with E30 and the downpipes, and see if we have any power differences. So without further ado, let's get in the car and take this thing for a rip. Once again guys, if you're in the South Florida area and you want to get some work done to your car, some exhaust work, come to 954 Mufflers in Hollywood, Florida. It's right down the road from Hard Rock, so you can't miss it. Once again, that's 954 Mufflers. I'm gonna link all their socials down below. Make sure you come check them out. Okay, so first impressions driving down the road. I'm very happy with the way this sounds under load, anything above like 2,500 RPMs. I will admit it's a little bit raspy, anywhere from like 1,800 up to 2,500. Like it's got like a very tinny, like loud rasp, but anything above that, the tone of this thing under load sounds so good. It's that same MBRP tone, just a little bit louder now. So definitely happy with the way that it sounds. I'll try to get you guys in for a little pull, another one, and then do some revs once we get back into the garage. But overall, pretty excited, especially with the deal that I got on these downpipes. I'm not upset one bit. You see like that little rasp in the beginning, but that's only if you're hitting it from like 1,800 RPMs.